Hi, I'm Anna Maria DeFreitas, owner of the Harrison House Suites, Tucker House Inn, and Coho Restaurant in Friday Harbor, San Juan Island. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to make a no-bake cookie crust. This is a really versatile recipe that you can make with any variety of cookies. Many times at the inns, we have lots of cookies, and sometimes they don't come out just the way we want. We may overbake them just a hair, so we save them, put them in a Ziploc bag, tuck them in the freezer, and when we're ready to make a no-bake cookie crust, we pull them out. Vanilla wafers, you could use the Nabisco famous chocolate wafers, ginger snaps, chocolate chip cookies, Oreos, peanut butter cookies. Let your imagination guide you. These are going to go in the food processor, and we're going to grind them up. I still hear a few large pieces, but we'll just pick those out. And we're going to place this in a bowl. It's about 2 cups of cookie crumbs and about a half a cup of melted butter. So just think about the variety of fillings that you could use. If you have a nice peanut butter cookie crust, you can do peanut butter ice cream, a nice cheesecake, a mousse. So you can have lots of fun with the flavor combinations of your crusts and the filling that you're going to put inside of it. So you'll see that it just begins to form large clumps. And I'm going to pour it into my pan here. Then we're just going to press it into the pick out that large piece. And I have a glass here because sometimes it's nice just to get an even You can use a tart pan with a release bottom, springform pan. And there you go. There's your no-bake cookie crust. Buon appetito.